All right, for all those people finally starting to pay attention, so let's see. There is going to be a quiz over this at the end. So, class, weak sauce. That was so weak, especially some people over here. I didn't hear Jake one. Okay, so let's try this again. Class. Yes. A little bit better. A little better. Okay. All right. So, NFPA Diamond, National Fire Protection Association, a color-coded symbol used to quickly show the hazardous of chemicals and materials created by the Fire Prevention Association to keep workers safe. The 4 sections. Blue is a health hazard, how dangerous it is to your body. Red, flammable, how easily it catches fire. Yellow, reactivity, how how unstable or explosive it is. White, special hazards, such as oxidizers. So when you mix an oxidizer with the flame, it go boom. Number scale starts at 0 as minimal hazard, where 4 is extreme. I'll give you a minute to write this down. There is some correct if you want to get but okay. All right. You know, I did tell you there was going to be a quiz at the end of this, right? At the end of class. Okay, guess what? There's a quiz at the end of this. Yep. And it's open notes. Now, let's see if people remembered. In this notebook, everyone needs to be writing with pen. We don't erase anything. You just line through it and move on. Do you need a pen? He's got a pen. Donna, Monday, can you come in at lunch? We're gonna organize, and so we're gonna go through the shop on Monday. This class can actually show where things are, like the emergency light, like the fire extinguisher, all that. So I need help actually getting things somewhat. Appreciate it. All right. Now I'm gonna end up moving. I'm gonna change slides here. If you need more time, I can give it to you at the end. Okay. So leave some space in your notes. Now, these are important. These are the categories that actually go along with this. So fire hazard, which is red, is going to be a flash point temperature. Now, all day long, no one could tell me, but I got someone in here that could tell me. What does flash point mean? Loud and clear, please. Pretend like I am actually hard of hearing because I blew up cool stuff. So I'm hard of hearing. What is flash point? You guys have chemistry yet? Some people shouldn't have chemistry. Not yet. That's early. Anyone take a guess at it at least? Yes, go ahead.
Like the temperature that goes above what's
Very good. And it's going to do what?
increasing. How it's low.
Yeah, it starts fire. There's a famous book by Ray Bradbury, which is Fahrenheit 451. Fahrenheit 451 is the temperature in which that paper will self-ignite. You can put it in an oven, sit it there with no open flames, and at 451 degrees, it will ignite. So it is a really good book by Ray Bradbury. Anyway, so this is important. Flash point. So when things are getting hot or there is something there, okay, that's important to know. We have a fire department coming in here. They have to call. They have this symbol. They're going to look for these. Certain things are really dangerous to be around, so they have to make sure that whatever is there is not going to cause problems. So next one down here, reactivity. Okay, may detonate. Yellow may detonate, shock, or heat may detonate. That's important, shock. So when you go to the gas pump and you're pumping gas, there are symbols on there. Please do not have your cell phone. That goes back to when analog phones were a bigger deal, or it's like a walkie-talkie there. It does build up static. And so when you're filling up your gas can, those can ignite. They can ignite with static shock. So that would be that right there. 2, violent chemical reactions. 1, unstable if heated, and 0 is stable. So are these going to be on the quiz? Yes, they are. Blue, health hazard. They are deadly. 3, extreme danger. 2, hazardous. 1, slightly hazardous. 0, nominal or normal. Normal material. No worries about it. So I know you guys are writing this down, right? Okay. It's almost like there's a quiz about it here in a moment. And it's open notes, but if you don't have notes, then it's all your bad, right? Special hazards, white. Oxidizer has a special symbol because when you add oxygen to a flame or an oxidizer, it causes the flame to go boom boom. Next one, acid, alkaline, corrosive. W, no water. Can someone give me an example of the fire department coming in and not being able to use water on a fire? Say it louder. Oil. Good job. Here you go. Oil. Now, for the bigger bag of chips, who can give me a second one? Electrical. Electrical fire. Do you want to hit an electrical fire with the garden hose? No. Why? It will conduct and it will actually come up the stream and it will electrocute you, whoever is actually spraying the water. So, those are examples of when you would come in and not use water to put out a fire. Another one is radiation hazard. Some radioactive materials are not good for your health. You turn into a ninja turtle. You will end up fighting crime. Okay, so that's what you're saying. Okay. Yeah. So that's why. Yeah. You're talking about laptops and all that. Okay. All right. Hey, I do appreciate you. Hey, you want a bag of chips? Like, you like that? Are you almost ready? Takis, Cheetos. All right, are we ready? You ready for this quiz? Open notes. You ready, Kevin? What is flash pumpkin? The temperature, it will ignite. It's basically spontaneous combustion. It will actually create a flame at that temperature. The temperature, it will ignite. All right, I'm gonna go. I can come back to this, but we got to get to these quizzing. Where are these diamonds located? On chemical containers in workshops, labs, and factories. On storage cabinets for flammable or hazardous materials near building entrances to warn firefighters about hazards inside. On safety data sheet, SDSs, you'll see that a lot. For quick hazard reference in industrial facilities, warehouses, transportation of chemicals. Now, give me an example of one that you saw or could have saw on the way to school. The what?
It's near the trains,
There's one right over there. Is it on like the wall before you get in there?
not on the wall, it's like on the other side of the track. I don't really know what that is.
Okay, yeah, I don't go that way, so I don't know what you're talking about. So, but I'll say probably yes. You've probably seen it. Anything else that any average person going any which way could have seen it on the way?
Chemistry.
Hey, that's why I asked if you guys actually had chemistry. Anything else? People that are not taking chemistry might see it on their way to school. Anyone else? Come on. On the way to school, you could have saw it.
Fire.
Fire. No. What'd you have? I heard something from over here.
I think I'm good. It's the fire station.
Oh, fire station. Do you think the fire station would have one in front of them to warn the fire department? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But anyone go by a gas station this morning?
Yeah.
Circle K? Yeah. Okay. What about driving down the road? You guys see those tankers?
Yeah.
Fuel haulers? So after today, you could actually pull out your notebook and be like, dude, I know how to read that. I know what's in there. So they have those in there. Bruh. Open note, bruh. Open note. You can come back to it in a minute. You ready? You ready? Open note. Okay. So you're going to draw that first one. Draw that first one. So draw a triangle for that first one. And you're going to tell me the 4 things that go with that. You don't need to make it huge. And just pretend like you're colorblind, so you can only be in black and white. The top one, which is red. So it's going to be 0 red, 0 yellow, and 3 blue, and nothing on white. Write those numbers in there. There's 4 things that you're going to.
Hey, it is posted on me.
So you could actually just click pause
And then, you know, we're right at it again.
But again, open notes. Open notes. Because you need training. I don't want you getting burned by the glue gun because you didn't have training. All right, the 4 things for that upper left. Four things for the upper left. Next one. Right here for the second one here in the top middle. So 1 red, a 0 yellow, a 1 blue, and nothing in white. You're going to tell me the 4 things for that one. It's open notes, my dude. Just write down those 4 things that it's going to be. Next one I'm going to be checking here. So you don't actually have to do all of them. So that's kind of why I'm. Bottom left. Bottom left. So it goes top left, top middle, bottom left, and the last one's going to be bottom right. Should be top left, top middle, bottom left, bottom right. Did you get them all, my dude? Okay, where's the fourth? Oh, okay. Okay, not bad. Kind of messy. You can read it, right? That's the book. Yes.
What order is?
Over here it says C. So this is the, okay, so this is this is the bottom left, right? Okay, so you said blue. I get it.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna start pointing at people because I'm still trying to learn people's names. Okay. So, starting with the top left, red. Top left, you give me red.
Will not burn.
Will not burn. Yellow.
Stable.
Okay, it's stable. Blue. Extreme. Okay, extreme hazard to what? Hazardous to what? What's the whole category based on? Yeah, for the bottom. Okay, and we get white. No special hazard, right? Yeah. Good job. Good job. You guys get an A. Or here, you ready? I got too many people over here for some reason. Give me red. We're doing the middle, top middle. It's what? Above 200 Fahrenheit is my what? Fire. Fire. But what's the word that we need? F for failure? Ignite. What's the word? What's the vocabulary word that we have? Flashpoint. Very good. Yellow. It is stable. Blue. And white. No special. Top left. I'm sorry, bottom left. Bottom left. Give me red.
Will not burn.
Will not burn. Yellow. Bottom left. Violent chemical reaction. Blue.
Extremely.
Very good. No water. No water in that one right here. Do not fight the fire with water. No water. You ready? You ready? All right. So you get red. You're in the bottom right. Below what? Is it 72 or 73? 73? Yeah, I think it's 73. So, yeah, because people are having trouble with it, and every class I'm having the same discussion. All right, so next thing is going to be you have yellow. Need a photo friend? You tag him in. Tag him in. Extreme danger. Blue. Bottom right, blue. It is what? Extreme danger to your health, and you have white. It is corrosive. Very good. Good job. All right. So now, you will see these again coming up on the certification test, which you will have next week sometime. That being said, everyone's going to make sure they like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Support my channel, buying stuff from my merch store. Okay, hit that notification bell to, what did it say after the notification bell?
The outro, and then they added it.
Yeah, all right, outro.